Hey everyone, Nick Rowert for Halo Group of Nebraska. We are so excited for our first giving event this evening, 4 to 7 p.m. at Live Lounge in Exarban. We have also been getting some feedback from those of you who want to donate early or those of you who cannot attend. So I'm just going to go through a quick tutorial on how to use our website to donate through the Omaha Community Foundation, which is the vessel that we are using so that we can cut costs down, allowing more of the money that's donated to go to our target. So stay tuned. So first things first, you want to make sure you land on halogroupne.org. You scroll down to Donate Now underneath the Register Now tab. Click Donate Now. That's going to take you to omahafoundation.org, also known as the Omaha Community Foundation website. You're going to click Give Now. Of course, this is a little bit different on a desktop version. Scroll down to Donate. Click Donate. Scroll down again to make a donation. You'll see step 1, select a fund. Do the drop down under select a category. You're going to select other funds. That brings you to other funds. You want to select a fund, so that drop down category again. Simply click on Halo Group of Nebraska. It will open up step 2, which is personal details. Enter the donation amount, first name, last name, billing address, city, zip code, phone number, email. And if you would like to, you can make this gift anonymous or make this gift in memory of someone. Very simple, very easy. Thank you again to those of you who have already donated and to those who are considering donating. We are so excited to continue our efforts to help achieve learning in Omaha by partnering with teachers in our community to solve real needs. Thanks.